Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. In our search for health and vitality, we often overlook the most powerful solutions hiding in plain sight. Today, I want to share the story of a simple vegetable, one that has been quietly sitting in kitchens and markets, yet holds incredible strength when it comes to supporting our bodies and minds. It reminds us that sometimes real power lies in what's humble, natural, and unassuming. This particular vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse. It's low in calories but rich in essential vitamins and minerals that the body needs to function optimally. Packed with vitamin C, it helps support the immune system, while vitamin K plays a key role in bone health and blood clotting. It also contains folate, which is important for cell growth and repair, and fiber, which supports a healthy digestive system. In a time when so many people rely on supplements, this food delivers nature's version, pure, complete, and easily absorbed. Its benefits go far beyond just nutrition. It has strong anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to natural plant compounds that help reduce internal inflammation. Inflammation, as we know, is a major contributor to a range of chronic diseases, from heart disease and diabetes to arthritis and autoimmune disorders. By making this vegetable a regular part of your diet, you can support your body in staying balanced and protected against long-term health issues. Another reason this vegetable stands out is its ability to regulate blood sugar. With a low glycemic index and high fiber content, it helps slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This makes it a smart food choice for those managing diabetes or insulin resistance, and even for those looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. It serves as a natural way to stabilize metabolism and avoid those dangerous sugar spikes. One of the most impressive aspects of this vegetable is its versatility. It can take the place of more processed or carb-heavy foods, fitting effortlessly into a wide range of diets. Whether used as a low-carb rice substitute, turned into a creamy mash, or baked into a pizza crust, it adapts to many culinary styles without losing its health benefits. It offers both comfort and nutrition, making it a favorite among health-conscious eaters and chefs alike. There's also its lesser-known role in supporting brain health. It contains choline, a nutrient essential for brain development and memory. Choline is particularly important for maintaining healthy nervous system function, and yet it's lacking in many modern diets. This vegetable provides a simple and delicious way to keep your brain sharp and functioning well as you age. In closing, we should not underestimate the quiet strength of foods that grow directly from the earth. This one, in particular, proves that health doesn't always come from pills or fancy labels. Real transformation starts with what we put on our plates. By choosing foods that nourish, heal, and energize, we take control of our own well-being. And sometimes, the most powerful change begins with something as simple as what's sitting right in front of us. In recent years, digestive health has become a central focus in discussions about overall wellness. The gut is no longer seen as just a system for processing food. It's now recognized as a key player in immunity, mental health, and even hormonal balance. Supporting the digestive system is no longer optional. It's essential. One of the most effective ways to do that is through the foods we choose to eat daily. There is one vegetable that stands out when it comes to promoting gut health. What makes it unique is not just its nutrient content, but the quality and type of fiber it offers. This natural fiber acts like a broom inside the intestines, helping to sweep out waste, regulate bowel movements, and prevent constipation. It's not aggressive or harsh on the digestive tract. Instead, it supports the body's natural rhythm, making it a gentle but powerful digestive aid. Fiber also plays a crucial role in feeding the good bacteria that live in our gut. These beneficial microbes, known as probiotics, rely on fiber to grow and thrive. When we nourish these bacteria, they, in turn, support us by producing substances that reduce inflammation, improve immunity, and even influence mood and mental clarity. A well-fed gut microbiome is like a healthy ecosystem, balanced, resilient, and able to protect us from illness. Beyond fiber, this vegetable also contains antioxidants and phytonutrients that reduce irritation and inflammation within the digestive tract. These compounds help calm the gut lining, especially for those who suffer from issues like bloating, indigestion, or inflammatory bowel conditions. It's not just about moving things along in the digestive system. It's about healing and protecting the gut at a cellular level. What's remarkable is that this food supports the entire digestive process from start to finish. It's easy to digest, doesn't overwhelm the stomach, and provides a range of vitamins and minerals that support the pancreas, liver, and other organs involved in digestion. Unlike processed foods that burden the system, this vegetable works with the body, not against it. Incorporating it regularly into meals can gradually improve digestive comfort, reduce dependence on artificial laxatives or supplements, and help the body regain its natural rhythm. It promotes regularity without irritation, making it suitable for all ages, from children to older adults. Its gentle yet effective action makes it a wise choice for those recovering from digestive disorders or simply seeking better balance. Ultimately, taking care of your gut is one of the most important investments in your long-term health. And sometimes, the most powerful tools are the ones that come straight from the earth, unchanged and unprocessed. By choosing foods that nourish and protect the gut, we lay the foundation for a healthier, more energized, and more resilient body. Inflammation is a natural process in the body, designed to protect and heal us from injury or infection. In small doses, it's beneficial. When you cut yourself or catch a virus, inflammation signals the immune system to respond and begin the healing process. But when inflammation becomes chronic, ongoing and unregulated, it starts to do more harm than good. It can silently attack tissues and organs, leading to long-term health problems without obvious early symptoms. Chronic inflammation is now widely recognized as a contributing factor to many serious diseases. Conditions like arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and even some forms of cancer are linked to persistent low-grade inflammation. Unlike acute inflammation, which is noticeable and often painful, chronic inflammation can simmer in the background for years, gradually damaging cells and tissues. Addressing it is one of the key steps toward achieving long-term wellness. One of the most effective ways to combat chronic inflammation is through diet. What we eat has a direct impact on the body's inflammatory responses. Some foods fuel inflammation, such as those high in refined sugars, trans fats, or artificial additives. Others help to cool it down. Among the foods with anti-inflammatory properties, there is one vegetable that stands out for its ability to calm and balance the body from the inside out. This vegetable contains natural plant compounds known for their inflammation-fighting properties. These include antioxidants and specific phytonutrients that neutralize harmful molecules in the body called free radicals. When left unchecked, free radicals contribute to oxidative stress, a key trigger for inflammation. The compounds in this vegetable help reduce that stress and promote cellular health across multiple systems in the body. Another remarkable benefit is how these compounds protect not just against inflammation, but against the damage it can cause over time. In conditions like arthritis, they may help ease joint pain and stiffness. In cardiovascular disease, they may contribute to healthier blood vessels. The body begins to repair itself more effectively when inflammation is brought under control. This is not the result of one-time consumption, but of consistent dietary inclusion. Unlike medications that often come with side effects, the anti-inflammatory effects of this food come naturally and gently. It works in harmony with the body's processes, offering both short-term relief and long-term protection. Regular consumption, even in small servings, can have a cumulative effect that supports a more balanced immune response and greater resilience overall. Choosing to include this vegetable in daily meals is more than just a nutrition decision. It's a preventive measure. It's a way to protect your health at the root level, reducing the risk of disease before it begins. When the body is free from chronic inflammation, energy increases, recovery improves, and the potential for wellness expands. Food can be powerful medicine, and this particular food plays a key role in that healing journey. Inflammation is a natural defense mechanism that the body uses to protect itself from harm. When we get injured or infected, our immune system responds with inflammation to promote healing. In these cases, it is a short-term and beneficial reaction. However, problems begin to arise when this response becomes chronic and the body continues to operate in a state of low-level inflammation without a clear reason or external threat. Chronic inflammation has been linked to many of the most common and serious health issues faced today. Diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and even certain forms of cancer have all been associated with persistent inflammation in the body. Over time, this ongoing immune response begins to damage healthy tissues and organs, creating more problems than it solves. It becomes a hidden force working against long-term health and vitality. Rather than relying solely on medications to manage inflammation, many people are turning to natural approaches to help reduce it. Diet plays a major role in this process. Some foods can actually trigger or worsen inflammation, while others have the power to soothe it. A few key vegetables, in particular, contain powerful plant compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation and support the body's healing systems in a natural way. One such vegetable, often overlooked, contains a unique blend of antioxidants and sulfur, rich compounds that actively fight inflammation at the cellular level. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and damage in the body. By limiting oxidative stress, these nutrients reduce one of the main drivers of chronic inflammation and help the body return to balance. The benefits of these natural compounds extend beyond just inflammation. They support detoxification, aid the immune system, and help maintain healthy blood vessels. For those suffering from conditions like joint pain, cardiovascular concerns, or inflammatory skin issues, incorporating this food into the diet can be a gentle yet effective step toward relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties can quietly, but steadily improve health over time. What sets this food apart is how easily it fits into a wide variety of meals without the need for complex preparation. Whether cooked, roasted, blended, or served raw, it retains many of its health-promoting qualities. Its mild flavor and flexible texture make it an easy addition to any diet, and its ability to deliver healing compounds naturally gives it a unique place in the world of functional nutrition. Reducing inflammation doesn't always require drastic measures. Sometimes, the most powerful healing agents come from simple, whole foods that support the body's natural defenses. By making small, consistent changes and including this particular vegetable in daily meals, people can take a meaningful step toward reducing inflammation and preventing chronic disease. It serves as a quiet but reliable ally in the journey to better health.